Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Long Island iced tea was named for its visual resemblance to non-alcoholic iced tea. Add all ingredients into highball glass filled with ice. The drink has a much higher alcohol concentration, approximately 22%, than most highball drinks due to the relatively small amount of mixer.
Let's help you make your mark.
Aunt Roberta considered to be the strongest cocktail in the world. This drink contains 100% alcohol, with absolutely no mixers whatsoever. Gin, vodka, absinthe, brandy and blackberry liquor are mixed together in equal parts or used to create this lethal mix.
Let's help you make your mark.
After going home now and checking the internet, it says these Long Island iced teas are like the equivalent of 4 beers. Is this accurate? As with most things, it depends. A standard Long Island has 1.5 ounces each of vodka, rum, tequila, and gin. 1.5 ounces of 80-proof liquor is equivalent to 112 ounces beer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is Long Island iced tea a girly drink? A Long Island iced tea is not a girly drink. It has an alcohol volume of 22% and is made with 5 white spirits, including gin, vodka, tequila, white rum, and triple sec liqueur. By no means are these spirits and this cocktail a girly drink.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.